Welcome to the enchanting city of Busan, South Korea. Join us on an unforgettable walking tour through this vibrant metropolis, where modernity meets tradition and stunning sights await at every corner. As we walk along, you can check the bottom left for the area titles, or just skip to the relevant chapters on the video to watch the selected area. Each chapter has its own descriptive narration, so you can easily find more details about the area. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments section and give us some time to reply. As we explore the city, we'll also sprinkle in some fascinating Busan facts to enrich your experience. Busan is South Korea's second-largest city, nestled along the southeastern coast of the Korean peninsula. Known for its picturesque beaches, Busan boasts Haeundae Beach, one of the most famous in the country. Busan is home to the iconic Busan Tower, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Our journey begins with a swift ride on the airport light rail, connecting you effortlessly from the airport to the heart of Busan. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of South Korea's world-class transportation system. Welcome to BIFF Square, the bustling heart of Busan's entertainment district. BIFF Square stands for Busan International Film Festival, which is celebrated here every year. As you walk through the square, you'll be surrounded by the electrifying atmosphere. Colorful stalls line the streets, offering an array of street food that will tantalize your taste buds. Try some tteokbokki, a spicy rice cake dish, or perhaps a hotteok, a sweet pancake filled with sugar and nuts, both local favorites. The stores here are a treasure trove of souvenirs and quirky finds. From quirky K-pop merchandise to traditional Korean clothing, you're bound to find something to remind you of your Busan adventure. Our next stop is the iconic Busan Tower, a towering landmark that promises breathtaking panoramic views of the city. As we ascend to the top, you'll feel your anticipation build. At the observation deck, you'll be treated to a 360-degree view of Busan's stunning skyline, the bustling harbor, and the shimmering sea. It's a photographer's paradise, so don't forget your camera. Busan Tower also boasts a charming gift shop, where you can pick up unique souvenirs to commemorate your visit. And if you're feeling peckish, there's a cozy cafe where you can relax and savor a coffee or a snack while gazing out at the mesmerizing scenery. As we leave Busan Tower behind and continue our journey, we find ourselves immersed in the bustling heart of the city center. Stroll along the streets lined with a mix of modern skyscrapers and charming traditional Korean architecture. The energy here is palpable, with locals and tourists alike going about their day, creating a vibrant tapestry of urban life. One highlight of this walk is the diverse shopping opportunities. You'll find everything from high-end fashion boutiques to quaint local shops selling unique crafts and trinkets. This is the perfect place to pick up souvenirs or simply enjoy some retail therapy. As we approach the waterfront, you'll be treated to a spectacular view of the towering buildings that hug the coastline. It's a breathtaking sight that truly exemplifies Busan's fusion of natural beauty and urban grandeur. Lace up your walking shoes, and let's continue this adventure through the heart of Busan. Prepare to have your breath taken away as we ascend to the mesmerizing heights of Busan X the Sky. This is not just an observation deck, it's an experience like no other. As you can see, the panoramic city view from here is nothing short of awe-inspiring. The entire city sprawls out before you, the urban landscape extending to meet the glistening coastline. Busan's iconic bridges, bustling streets, and majestic mountains all come together in a breathtaking vista. But what sets Busan X the Sky apart is its crowning jewel, one of the highest Starbucks in the world. Imagine sipping your favorite coffee while gazing out at this incredible view. It's a coffee break you'll never forget. The observatory itself is designed to offer different perspectives of the city. Walk around and you'll discover various photo zones, interactive displays, and even a glass-floored observation deck for the brave-hearted. It's an engaging experience for visitors of all ages. And when the sun sets, Busan X the Sky transforms into a sea of lights. The city comes alive with a dazzling display of neon, creating a magical ambiance that's perfect for a romantic evening or simply soaking in the city's vibrant nightlife. So, whether you're a coffee enthusiast, a photography lover, or simply seeking an unforgettable view of Busan, Busan X the Sky is a must-visit destination that promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've left the heights of this incredible skyscraper. Welcome to Shinsegae Centumcity Mall, a shopping paradise that will dazzle even the most dedicated shopaholics. This colossal mall is not just a shopping destination, it's a world of luxury and indulgence waiting to be explored. Spanning a staggering 293,905 square meters, Shinsegae Centumcity Mall is one of the largest department stores in the world. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by a breathtaking atrium, adorned with artistic installations and grand architecture. It's a true visual spectacle. But our journey through Shinsegae Centumcity Mall doesn't stop at shopping. We're about to dive into a culinary adventure in the mall's spectacular food court. Here, you'll discover a diverse array of Korean and international cuisines, from mouth-watering street food to gourmet dishes prepared by talented chefs. One highlight is the incredible seafood offerings. Busan is famous for its fresh seafood, and the food court here doesn't disappoint. Try some sashimi, seafood pancakes, or steamed crabs to experience the flavors of the region. And for dessert lovers, you're in for a treat. Indulge in delectable Korean sweets like bingsu, shaved ice dessert, or hotteok, sweet pancakes, prepared fresh right before your eyes. Our journey continues to LOTTE department store Gwangbok, where you can enjoy more shopping delights and a fantastic view that will leave you mesmerized. Gwangalli Beach, with its picturesque crescent-shaped shoreline, offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. This tranquil coastal gem is known for its iconic Gwangbok Bridge and vibrant nightlife, making it a must-visit destination for both relaxation and entertainment in Busan. Our journey now leads us to the jewel of Busan's coastline, Haeundae Beach. By day, this expansive stretch of golden sand is a sun-soaked paradise. As you approach, you'll notice rows of neatly arranged beach chairs and umbrellas, offering the perfect spot for relaxation and soaking up the sun's rays. One of the key features of Haeundae Beach is its commitment to safety. Lifeguards are stationed along the shore, ensuring that visitors can swim and enjoy the water with peace of mind. It's the ideal place for a refreshing dip in the azure waters of the East Sea. The beach's long sandy coastline provides ample space for beachgoers to spread out, play beach volleyball, or simply take leisurely strolls along the water's edge. The view from here is spectacular, with modern skyscrapers forming a stunning backdrop against the clear blue sky. As the sun begins its descent, Haeundae Beach undergoes a magical transformation. The evening brings with it a vibrant atmosphere as beachgoers transition from sunbathing to enjoying the lively night scene. For now, let's just explore the beach a bit more, and in a while we'll take a look at how the area looks at night. The real charm of Haeundae Beach comes alive when we explore the pedestrian streets just steps away from the shoreline. These streets are teeming with unique stores, food stalls, and an atmosphere that's entirely its own. It's here that you'll find local vendors selling a variety of street food, from savory fish cakes to sweet hotdog pancakes. The tantalizing aromas waft through the air, tempting your taste buds at every turn. The night market stalls offer an array of clothing, accessories, and souvenirs that reflect Busan's culture and creativity. Whether you're on the hunt for the perfect gift or simply want to immerse yourself in the local scene, these streets have it all. As you walk through this vibrant nocturnal scene, the blend of lively chatter, music, and the enchanting glow of lanterns and neon signs create a unique and unforgettable atmosphere. It's a fitting end to our Busan adventure, where the day's serenity seamlessly transitions into the night's lively spirit. Haeundae Beach, with its stunning day and night experiences, truly embodies the essence of Busan, a city that beautifully blends tradition and modernity, nature and urban life, day and night. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep on watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content.